Alright traders, hello, and this is your chart analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of March 2020. First of all, we don't have much to go through. We've just got 5 currency pairs, well 4, and we have gold as well to go over. So USD Swiss is the first pair. So just a point of significance right now, where we are currently trading at is around a significant resistance line, and what we're suggesting is that it is a possible sell trade if we get bearish confirmation. So where we're currently trading at is around 96 20 or so, and with some bearish price action as confirmation, we can take a sell. Again, keep the stop loss pretty tight. The rectangle is a guide, so the top of the rectangle could be a potential parameter for your stop loss placement, and we'd be taking the trade down to 94.026, which is the next level of support that recently prices reacted to. So again, the US dollar has actually strengthened recently, so we'll wait and see what it wants to do against this line, and that's definitely a near imminent potential trade. So we'll go next to the USD yen. So the USD yen again as well, we've seen US dollar strength recently. We've got a nice, well-respected resistance line, really nice descending channel as well that's been present. There was a little bit of a breakout of it, and congrats if you took that. And it's seen a real aggressive sell-off, a bounce, and now what we're targeting here and where price is currently at is around 107.40, and we'd be looking for price to come up a little bit higher to around 108 or so. I'll just get that a bit better for you guys, around 108, and we'd be looking to take the trade down to around 104. So again, tight stop, especially in this chaotic market as well. We would suggest please respect strict risk management. Risk no more than 2%. Really, I personally like 1% per trade, and it just gives you peace of mind because things are a little bit crazy right now, obviously with the coronavirus and the deterioration in the equities markets. So please just have a breath. If you're uncertain of something, ask a question. There's a link in the description section of this video to a chat group, so please feel free to jump on board. And just use this time if you are at home to absorb, to learn, to ask questions, to go over videos such as this. So please like and subscribe this video, hit the notification bell, because we're bringing more videos out more often because a lot of people are working from home. So please use the resources available and don't just think about making money quickly. Take your time. This is a long-term journey. It's not get rich quick. All right, let's go to gold now. Okay. So gold is quite interesting where we're currently seeing it at, and as you can see, it's been quite the roller coaster. Where price is currently at is 1502 or 1503, sorry, pardon me. So what we're suggesting is it's actually at a point where it's bounced before, as you can see. Always look to the left of the chart as well, guys. It's quite important. You can see a lot of times it's respected this line, and what we're suggesting is that there is a buy trade. Now, the black line here indicates a potential journey of it as well. So it's not just going to rise linearly, in a linear fashion, sorry. But we will target way up to 1600 or so, even a little bit higher than 1600, around 1606. So that is a potential trade idea on gold. Alright, so we'll go to the pound. So this trade right here is pretty simple. So as you can see, where price is currently at, it's bottomed out. There's a lot of room to the upside. As you can see previously, this is a daily chart, so this price action, there's a lot of data in each candlestick. That's why it's important to refer to the higher time frames as well as the lower time frames to get an overall context of what the market is doing. But the pound right now, again, we'll wait for some bullish price action, but straight off the bat, this is a go-to later today potentially. So something to pay close attention to. We'd like to see probably what the US market opens with, but this is definitely a trade that's has a lot of potential. All right, and we'd be targeting up to around 126 high, 126.7 or so, to the next resistance line there. Alright, Euro US dollar. We'll keep these nice and short and concise to the point. But remember, if you don't understand something, pause it and go back and repeat it. Make sure you take some notes as well on the price levels and potential points of entry. And again, make sure you join the chat. There's a MyFX book link as well to see the stats and the track record as well if you'd like money under management as well. So Euro US dollar. Okay, everyone loves trading the Euro US dollar. So what we've got here, guys, is where price is currently at is a level of support, as indicated by the green dashed line as well. So what we're suggesting here is that there's a couple of ideas. Alright, so where price is currently at, we wait for bullish price action. We can take a buy up to the next resistance line at around 111, and then we can sell that back down. So careful to pay attention to that. You don't want to be too greedy. You know, if price is up against a resistance area and you've taken a buy, just get out. You know, pause and let it show signs of exhaustion, and then there's a sell trade there. Alright, so those are the ideas, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.